Hello friends, thank you for joining me today. My name's Jillian and this is Zeta. She might be helping us out today. We are doing a sciatica flow. You will need a strap or kitchen towel. If you don't have either, that's totally fine. So press pause, gather yourself, and join me. We're gonna get started in child's pose. Reach your hands out. Spread your fingers out on the mat. Take a deep breath. You can let your elbows drop down. Inhaling deeply and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Doing this a few times at your own breath. If you do have sciatica pain, you don't want to do any deep folds or twists. So this is a really gentle fold, and we're going to be avoiding any twists today. So one more deep breath. And rise up to tabletop position for cat-cow. Inhale, cow, tilt your tailbone up. Drop your belly, look up at the sky. And exhale, pull your belly in, arch your back. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Do this a few times, your own breath. And return to a neutral position. Tuck your toes under for downward facing dog. You can pedal out your feet. Maybe shift your hips side to side. And sink your feet down. Bring your left foot between your hands. It might take you a couple steps to get there. That's totally okay. For crescent lunge, bring your arms up by your ears, press through your hips. And we want to be really gentle today. If you feel any extra pain, just stop. Take a deep breath and exhale. Inhale and exhale. For runner's lunge, straightening your left knee and sinking back, trying to keep your hips square. You can come up and put your arms up on your thighs. If you have water bottles or a block, you can always put your hands onto the water bottles or blocks to make the ground a little bit higher. Try to keep your back pretty flat. Inhale and exhale. Come back into that lunge. Plant your hands and step back to down dog. Bring your right foot between your hands. Maybe it takes you a couple steps, that's okay. And bring your arms up for crescent lunge. Pressing through your hips, lifting your chest. Keeping this gentle. Inhale and exhale. Straighten your right knee for runner's lunge, lifting your toes, sinking back into your hips, trying to keep your hips square. You can put your hands onto your thigh again, maybe water bottles or your fingertips onto the mat. Take a deep breath and exhale. Come back forward into that lunge, step back for down dog. Take a deep breath here. Come forward into plank. Bend your knees onto the mat and lower all the way down onto your belly. Bring your forearms onto the mat and rise up for Sphinx pose, pulling up your chest. Spreading your fingers out onto the mat. Careful of your back. You don't want to be pushing anything today. Take a deep breath and exhale. And lower down, clasping your fingers together, putting one side of your cheek onto the mat and windshield wipering your legs side to side. Switch cheeks. And rise up, rolling over onto your back. This is where we're going to use our strap or that kitchen towel. Bend your knees and then loop that strap around the ball of your foot for a hamstring stretch. You're going to straighten out your left leg onto the mat and straighten out your right leg above you. It can be bent, that's totally fine. Grab onto either side of your strap. Take deep breaths. And one more deep breath. And switch sides. Lowering your right leg, putting the strap around your left foot, straightening your right leg out onto the mat, and lifting your left towards the sky, maybe keeping a bend in your knee. Taking a deep breath, and exhale. Take a couple more deep breaths. And release this, putting the bottoms of your feet together for reclined butterfly pose. Put that strap or the kitchen towel to the side. Reach your arms overhead. Stretch your arms out. And big stretch. Take a deep breath. And exhale, bring your arms along your side and straighten your legs out for final Shavasana. We'll be here for about a minute. Inhaling deeply and exhale. And you're going to start to wake yourself up. Wiggle out your fingers and wiggle out your toes. Roll over onto one side and rise up. Come into a comfortable seat and bring your hands together. Thank you so much for coming today. Namaste.